Right, room 13. We are back for Thursday. Let's take a look at what we're doing today. So today we have a fiction story, kind of relating to our reading from yesterday. Make sure you read this one, and I will have the questions for both stories tomorrow. In fractions, I'm going to ask you to do something kind of crazy. Today we're going to compare fractions that have different denominators and different numerators. Oh no, it's not that big of a deal. Take this fraction, shade it up here. Take this fraction, shade it down here. Figure out which one's bigger by which one has more color. It's not hard. You can do it. Okay? It's kind of a learning lesson for today. Our next page, we are going to do, I know we did totem poles, but it is a super fun project, and I thought it might be kind of a fun way to kind of wrap up this unit. So here are some animals and the things that they symbolize. And then here are some totem pole symbols. You might remember some of these from our field trip or from when we did totem poles in class. And then on this page, there are some instructions on how to make a totem pole. They recommend using a paper towel tube. You can really use anything that's sturdy. If you've got a bendy piece of cardboard that you can glue together, or really anything. If you've got a circular piece of wood, talk to your parents, see what they say. And then down here are some of your totem pole items. So you can do these faces. They also have these bodies. Again, look back at the top page, the example page, page 6, for kind of an idea of how to put all of that together. I'm really excited. If you do a totem pole, please take a picture of it and post it to Seesaw, because I think that these are so cool and I'd really like to share yours. The last thing we're going to do today is a time you built something. It can be anything. Here's my example. When I was in middle school, duct tape was really, really popular, and I thought it would be really cool at the time I played the trumpet. So a time I built something was when I needed a music folder to hold all of my music, and I wanted one that would be indestructible, so I built a duct tape music folder. It was pretty awesome, kind of smelly, but really, really awesome. So that's a time I built something. Don't forget, your story should start with a hook. So mine might be, have you ever seen a duct tape music folder? Think of a good hook. It can be a question, it can be a sound effect. Use your 5 senses to talk about your story. So what does it look like? What did it sound like, smell like? What did it feel like? All of those things. How did you feel when you were done? Make sure that you revise and edit. Bonus points if you have a parent help you revise and edit. It's a great way to learn some grammar and spelling rules. Okay, make sure you read your story over to make sure it makes sense. Again, bonus points if you read the story out loud to yourself, because sometimes when you read it outside, you catch yourself making mistakes. And if you're going to write it on paper, write neatly. That's all I have for you today. Let's make it an awesome Thursday. Have a great day.